Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to open a Honda CR-V gas tank. This will be an easy tutorial and also a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, that's the gas tank logo, and I just want to show you where it is. When you're walking into the Honda CR-V, you want to look over here, okay? As you can see right over here. Now in some of the older CR-Vs, it's going to be down here, but it's always going to be towards the outside portion, the outside lining right here, the outside trim of the driver's side seat, the front driver's side seat. So this is the steering wheel right over here. This is the driver's side seat. And on the outside trim right here, sometimes it's over here, but on the more modern CR-Vs, it's going to be over here. All that you got to do, locate the knob, and you have to pull it. So obviously you're going to look for a pull handle. On this one, it's right here. You're going to pull it like that, and it pops open the CR-V gas tank. Now we're going to actually make our way to the back. I'm going to lower my voice because now I'm outside of the truck. As you can see right over here, on the same side as the driver's side, on this CR-V, there is the gas tank. We're going to open it up, and if you look, on this CR-V, there's actually no gas cap, which is really interesting. You basically just take your gas pump and you put it directly in this hole right over here. As you can see, sort of each half goes in at the same time. You put your gas pump like that, and that allows you to pump the gas in the Honda CR-V. And that's basically it. Whenever you're done, you know, I always leave the nozzle in there for a few seconds to just sort of drain out any additional gas, and then once I remove the nozzle and I put the nozzle back and I pay and stuff, I end up closing the gas cap like that, and you're good to go. And now you can't open it anymore, as you can see, until you pull the lever again. That's it. That is how to open a Honda CR-V gas cap and sort of the gas tank area. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.